Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to unfollow everyone on Facebook. For example, if you want to get rid of the followers you recently followed on Facebook, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again, and up here you have to go to general, and this time you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply close the app, and here what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store, and in App Store you have to look for Facebook, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Facebook app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app, and after that you have to simply open the Facebook app, and after that you have to simply go to your followers, and if you have very less number of followers, you can simply unfollow everyone on Facebook. But if you have very large number of followers, that it will be very difficult for you to unfollow everyone on Facebook. So there are 2 to 3 tricks. The first trick is that you have to use an third-party application which allow you to unfollow beside you, and it will unfollow multiple persons at a time so that you don't have to unfollow everyone. So these kinds of apps are available, but you have to make sure that these kinds of apps are not fake. So because this time these kinds of app usually steal your data, so I will not recommend you to use that. The second option is as that you have to simply delete your Facebook account, and after that all of the followers you have follow will also be deleted. But you can simply create the account from a new way, and after that you have to simply create a new account to use the Facebook. So if you do not want to lose your account and you want to unfollow everyone, then you have to simply unfollow everyone manually. Otherwise there is no option available that you can simply follow and unfollow everyone at once on iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.